Air frying is such a convenient way to cook. And a lot of people ask me, what's the difference between air frying and then turning on the oven? Well, it's just faster. And if you want to make a smaller batch of something, it's also super handy. You also don't need to preheat it, and it goes up to high temperatures. It also goes to those low temperatures, which is what I'm going to be using it for today. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make baked eggs in my air fryer. So I've got these gorgeous little ramekins. You could use whatever you want, as long as it's air fryer safe or oven safe. I've brushed each with a lot of butter. To this, I'm going to add some cream because we know how cream and eggs just work so well together. So a good amount of cream in each, about 50 mils. To that, I'll crack in 2 eggs, so the freshest eggs you can get. This is a very French way of cooking these. So 1 egg and the second egg. And I'm only going to do 2, but you could absolutely add 3 eggs to this depending on how hungry you are. We'll add that to the next one too. And I'm keeping mine very simple with a basic recipe of eggs and cream, but there's no reason you can't add some fried onions to this, some leeks, even mushrooms would work a treat. I'm just going to top it up with some extra cream, just a small amount. I still want to show off those egg yolks. And I'll season this generously with some salt. And to this, I'll add some pepper. Now, I have some pink peppercorns. These are sweet and mild in flavour. Of course, you can just use freshly cracked pepper if you like. So I'm just going to place them on my board and crush them slightly and then roughly chop them. And these are pink peppercorns that are in brine, so they're much softer. You could also use the dried peppercorns. And I just love the pink tinge on them. They look really great against the white of the cream and our eggs. So we'll sprinkle that over the top. And we're ready to air fry. So I like to place the little lids on top. If you don't have lids, of course, you can just pop some foil over the top. And these are going to bake in my air fryer. So no need to preheat. My air fryer is a large capacity air fryer, so I could actually add 4 of these. I'm just going to be cooking 2 for me and a friend. Lid goes down. So we're going to set this to 215, and this is going to cook for about 8 minutes. I like my eggs to be a little run in the centre, so I'm going to keep an eye on them, maybe check them at about 5 minutes. And we'll get it started. Now, you can't have baked eggs like this without some toast to dip in. So I've just got some sourdough here, a little olive oil over the top, and that can also go in the air fryer. Let's have a look at our baked eggs. They're going to be piping hot, so we'll just carefully take them out. The second one, and I've got this gorgeous green plate, so I love to present it on a plate. And the whole idea is to take it to the table like this. In French, it's called œuf en cocotte, and we take the lid off. Oh, look at that. And we'll place a few of our crunchy soldiers around the side. They work so well in the air fryer. They go super crispy. And I always like to garnish the eggs with some finely chopped chives, just a small handful, little sprinkling. That is a delicious breakfast, just simple things. Eggs, cream, that little point of difference with the peppercorns and those crunchy soldiers on the side, a little dip, and look at that. Once you dip that in, you get the mixture of the cream, the egg yolk together. It's like the best dippy egg you'll ever taste. It's so rich, but in a really good way. And on a cold winter's day, this is my ultimate breakfast. I'm gonna go in for a second little taste. Yum.